In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the dashboard. Dashboards are your command center for tracking what matters most at a glance. They bring charts, tables, and status indicators together in one place so you can quickly spot trends, monitor key metrics, and share insights with your team. I'll walk you through getting to the dashboard area, creating a new one, and adding the right widgets to tell a clear story. First, head to the left sidebar and select Dashboards. This takes you to the main dashboard hub, where all of your existing dashboards live. Think of it as your library. From here, you can open dashboards you've already built or start fresh. It's a good place to pause for a moment and consider your goal. What do you want to see at a glance? Picking that focus now will make the next steps smoother and help you avoid clutter later. Next, choose the option to create a new dashboard, typically labeled with a plus sign and New Dashboard. This opens a clean blank canvas. You'll likely see space for widgets and, depending on your setup, a panel or menu where you can pick the types of widgets to add. Treat this blank canvas like a storyboard. Each widget should earn its place by answering a question or confirming a key result. Now add widgets to bring your data to life. Charts are ideal for visualizing trends over time, comparisons between categories, or distributions. Use them when you want a quick visual read that highlights movement or change. Tables are best for precise, row-level details, perfect when exact values, rankings, or drill-down views matter. A battery widget gives you a simple, intuitive gauge for a single metric, like progress toward a target, remaining capacity, or overall health. It's great for KPIs that need to be scanned in seconds. A timeline lays out events or milestones in sequence, making it easy to understand order, duration, and dependencies. As you add each widget, you'll typically choose the data it should display, set a time range, and apply any filters that keep the view relevant. Keep consistency in mind. When multiple widgets use the same time frame or filters, your comparisons are clearer. Arrange and resize widgets so the most important information sits near the top and reads left to right. Give each widget a concise, descriptive title so anyone viewing the dashboard understands its purpose immediately. That's it. By navigating to dashboards, creating a new one, and thoughtfully adding widgets, you'll build a dashboard that's both informative and effortless to use.